The box to the eBay PC I purchased for my custom PC number 1 build came in today. Let's start by opening and inspecting it. I removed a section of video because the invoice was on top of the inside contents. The computer is well packaged with molded foam inserts. The power cable looks brand new. That is always a plus, as sometimes they are noticeably used, or not included at all. The surface is well worn, however there don't appear to be any deep scratches or dents. The vinyl skins I will manufacture for these in a later video, should cover these cosmetic blemishes up nicely. It will look like a brand new PC. Dust covers select areas inside of the case. It appears it was in a smoking environment. Overall though, it's not terrible. I'd rate it 7 out of 10 in terms of cleanliness. A preliminary cleaning is next, and a more thorough cleaning will be conducted later. The hard drive is, as was stated in the post, 500 GB and 7200 RPM. The power supply is the default 240 watts, just enough for our small form factor lower end build. The RAM, stated as 8 GB in the listing, is in a dual channel configuration of two 4 GB sticks. Next, we will take the PC outside and do a quick clean using a power blower. First I will check the state of the fans, in the uncleaned PC. Both the CPU and the PSU fans are spinning nicely and are running quietly. The majority of the dust was in the CPU housing and a few interior dust bunnies. I didn't notice at first, but I later secure the CPU fan with a finger while blowing. Not securing your fans can break the fan blades, or generate power back into the connector. Join me in my next video, where I install the graphics card you saw in the first video, as well as replace the CPU.